In this first video, I'm going to show you the simple speed ratio between these two gears. Again, chain and sprocket is very similar to gears in any other format, and also very similar to pulleys in a belt. The only difference between gears and sprockets and regular gears is the direction of rotation. When we turn one with a gear and sprocket, the other gear turns in the same direction, whereas with meshing gears, they would turn in the reverse direction. So what I want to demonstrate here is right now I've got it on a 34 tooth and a 34 tooth gear in the front and the back. So we should have a 1-to-1 relationship. So if I make one complete rotation with the gears in the front, we should see one complete rotation in the back as well. Now if I change that to be a 50 in the front and let's go down to an 11 in the back. We should see about a 1-to-5 relationship. So if I make one rotation in the front, we should see almost 5 in the back. So if I go 1 rotation, 2 rotations, 3 rotations, 4 rotations, and almost 5 rotations. And the reason we don't get that is because that would be a 50 to 10, whereas this is a 50 to 11. So we're slightly less than 5 full rotations. So hopefully that demonstrates what I'm trying to illustrate with the difference in speed ratios. When we go from a big to a small, we gain a lot of speed. And if we go from a small to a big, we would gain a lot of torque, which you'll see in some other videos here. I'll demonstrate torque.